In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Deepseek app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so depending what device you're on, open up your Play or App Store. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on search. Then we want to search apps and games and then type in Deepseek. This is free to download. Alright, so if we scroll down here, we've got Deepseek AI Assistant software. Click into it. So at the time of recording, it's got over 10 million downloads and 4,000 reviews. So from here, just simply click on the blue install button. And what this is going to do, this is going to go ahead and download and install the Deepseek app onto your mobile device. Depending how fast your internet connection, it should only take a few moments. As you can see, it's currently at the installing stage. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on open and then click agree. And now we've got an option here to create a new account or to log in. Check out my other videos about how to create a new account or log in with Deepseek if you're interested.